If you're looking for a Coursera machine learning certificate review, you're in the right place. Machine learning is one of the most in-demand skills in AI. But with so many certificates available, which one is actually worth your time and money? Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. Let's review the 3 best machine learning certificates on Coursera based on ratings, learner reviews, popularity, certification value, and industry credibility. At number 3 is Machine Learning with Python by IBM. This course is ideal if you already know basic Python and want practical machine learning experience. You'll learn supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, model evaluation, and how to build models using scikit-learn. It's highly rated and provides excellent hands-on practice. At number 2 is the IBM Machine Learning Professional Certificate. This career-focused program includes 6 comprehensive courses covering machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning, and a real-world capstone project. You'll build an impressive portfolio while earning an employer-recognized professional certificate from IBM, making it an excellent choice for anyone preparing for machine learning roles. Taking the number 1 spot is the Machine Learning Specialization from Stanford University and DeepLearning.AI, taught by Andrew Ng. With a 4.9-star rating, nearly 40,000 reviews, and millions of learners benefiting from Andrew Ng's original machine learning curriculum, it's widely considered the gold standard for beginners entering machine learning. You'll learn supervised learning, neural networks, decision trees, recommender systems, reinforcement learning, TensorFlow, and industry best practices through practical projects. If you're planning to complete more than one of these machine learning programs, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the better value. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about building machine learning skills in 2026, Coursera Plus is one of the smartest investments you can make. If you found this review helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.